Hi girls, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing DIY on how to make DIY concealer and DIY color corrector. Concealer is used to cover your dark circle and spots of face, and it is also used to highlight your face. And the second one is color corrector. It is used on deep dark circle and also even out your discoloration. So let's start the process. For making DIY concealer and corrector, you need 4 ingredients. First, you need a foundation. Use foundation according to your skin tone. And the second one is moisturizer. Use any moisturizer you like. I use Johnson & Johnson one. And the third one is compact powder. You can also use a loose compact powder. And also you need orange eyeshadow powder or a orange lipstick to make a color corrector. Add approximately teaspoon of foundation and equal quantity of moisturizer. And add foundation powder. Mix this well until it becomes thick paste. I use about teaspoon of powder. So our concealer is ready. Store this in a lip gloss container. Use lip gloss container to store this. It is very easy to store and apply. For making color corrector on this leftover concealer, add about 2 to 3 pinch of orange eyeshadow powder. Don't add too much eyeshadow powder, add 2 to 3 pinch only. Eyeshadow takes time to melt, so it takes time to get a perfect color. So store this in a lip gloss container. Look at this, our color corrector is already. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Bye.